Hello friend, now we are going to start the immunity process, how to develop the immunity process. So we are discussing the coronavirus. So coronavirus now is the deadliest virus, it is now become the pandemic virus. It's affect worldwide, so it's also known as COVID-19 virus. So now we know about the how the virus attack the human body and what the process and mechanism takes place inside the body system. So how the immune system develop against the coronavirus. So now first we start from the animal virus. It is a series of the influenza virus. It is a SARS COVID-19 virus or variant form of the SARS virus or influenza series of the virus. So here is the structure of the coronavirus. So coronavirus is composed of the two. One is protein and another is genetic material RNA. So protein is envelop the genetic material RNA and that protein is called M protein. And addition to the protein which modified to form a spike like a structure, that it looks like a corona radiating structure. Look like a corona radiating due to presence of spike. So this is the structure of the coronavirus or COVID-19 structure. So before the mechanism takes place inside the body or cells, so there are the phases of the virus. So that phase is called viral cycle, or that cycle is called lytic cycle. So in lytic cycles there are mainly 5 phases: adsorption, infection, eclipse, maturation and final lysis process. So one by one we discuss about the how these phases. So first the virus which come over the surface. So here is the coronavirus. So which come over the cell surface or host body surface, that process is called adsorption. So here the virus which present over the surface of plasma membrane or cell membrane of, so that is called adsorption. So adsorption, then the virus enter into the cell cytoplasm. So here the virus, whole part of the virus not enter, only the genetic material enter inside the host cytoplasm. So here the RNA genetic material enter through the cellular vesicle formation. So here is the RNA. So RNA then convert into DNA and then DNA to form RNA and ultimately produce protein. So here the genetic material of coronavirus use the host machinery or host enzyme to form the complete protein. So this process takes place on the surface of ribosome. So one of the organelles where the protein synthesis takes place is called is ribosome. So this is the process which produce the protein. So the surface is ribosome and the process is called eclipse phase. So we are not cytologically distinguish the coronavirus inside, whether it is present or not. So during eclipse phase, so complete protein and RNAs to form the complete coronavirus. So there is the multiplication start of coronavirus inside the host cell cytoplasm. This process is called maturation. So matured many coronavirus now able to secrete some enzyme and destroy the host cell and comes out the host cell. This is the viral cycle. So mostly virus which comes inside the host body, either plant or animals, which goes through these 5 process. So but in the human body, if our immune system is up to mark, so when our immune system is activated and active response takes place. So first the multiply coronavirus which rupture to the cells and multiplied coronavirus which is recognized by and first encounter by Macrophages. So macrophages, one of the defenses which first encountered the here the coronavirus and engulfed the coronavirus through the process of phagocytosis, that engulfed macrophage, then activated the T helper cells, one of the immune cells or WBC cells. So activated T lymphocyte which secrete one of the chemical, that chemical is called lymphokine. It first affect or activated the B cells. B cells get multiplied to form one of the plasma cells that secretes more and more antibodies, and then antibodies which deactivate the action of virus. So it form over the surface of the virus and so deactivate the virus action. So here is the extracellular immune response occurs by the production of antibodies. So here is the, and now the second process where the helper T cell now activated the one of the T cell, that is cytotoxic cell. So now the cytotoxic cell become the natural killer cell. That natural killer cell which activated to directly engulf the coronavirus and destroying the coronavirus. So this is the mechanism, this is the active mechanism, this is the active immunity system takes place inside the body. So this process happen, so our immune system get boost and we are not in so defeated by the corona. So we become healthy. So if this process fail, so now we become sick. So it affect our upper respiratory process. It blocks our bronchial tree and mucus become dry and we are not able to normal ventilation process. So it can't breathe normally and more forceful or inhalation or exhalation takes place. So now this will be activate, this will be affect our body system and might be death occurs due to this delayed process. So this is all about related to the corona. So corona is now it is a pandemic, now become a pandemic disease, but death rate is very common. If our immune system is up to that level and working properly and boost our immune system, so it will defeat our corona or COVID-19. If a person whose immune system is not up to mark or not be in active condition or active immunity is not, so this will affect and corona lead to the corona positive cases and disease takes place. So this is all about related to the corona. So here is the corona structure, how the corona act on the cells, and if immune system are there, so how the B lymphocytes and other cytotoxic cells how destroy or deactivate the coronavirus. So this is all about. Okay, thank you.